Hey, Duan here, and thanks for checking out this product review. Are you tired of the challenges associated with earning money online? If you're seeking a straightforward and efficient method that requires just 30 minutes of effort to generate passive income, then pay close attention to this video. In it, I will unveil the undisclosed technique utilized by Mark Barrett and James Fawcett for a decade, allowing them to consistently earn $1,000 daily. Before we delve into the review, it's important to mention that if you're interested in having your personal internet marketing coach to guide you towards achieving an online income of up to $10,000 per month, check out the initial link in the description. Now, let's return to the review. You can acquire the product through the second link in the description at any point in this video. Upon doing so, I will provide you with 3 incredible bonuses that will significantly boost your success in this endeavor. Bonus number 1, the ultimate guide to undetectable AI content creation. Unlock the hidden potential of AI content creation with this exclusive bonus. This exclusive bonus provides insider strategies for crafting seamless, indistinguishable content. A must-have for staying ahead in the digital realm. Bonus number 2, 10 Fiverr gigs collection that requires 0 skills to earn money. Discover Fiverr gigs tailored for beginners with no skills needed. Unleash your earning potential effortlessly in areas that embrace simplicity. Grab your opportunities on Fiverr today and explore a world of freelancing without the need for specialized expertise. Bonus number 3, complete guide to lean SEO in 2024. Level up your digital game with our exclusive bonus, SEO for 2024. Master the latest strategies and stay ahead in search engine rankings. Elevate your online presence effortlessly. Unlock these exclusive bonuses, available solely through my link. Despite their potential value reaching hundreds of dollars, I'm providing them to you absolutely free. This is your chance to supercharge the product and maximize your success. Elevating your game is my priority. These bonuses will be seamlessly delivered to you through Warrior Plus or Jevzoo upon grabbing the product. Without further ado, let's delve into the review and kickstart this journey. Phoenix IV is a comprehensive training program that teaches you how to set up a profitable online business using a unique approach that requires minimal technical skills and no prior experience. Phoenix IV is different from other methods that involve complex and expensive strategies like chatbots, Google ads, or Facebook ads. Phoenix IV is a set and forget system that works flawlessly in 2023 and beyond. Phoenix IV works in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Follow the step-by-step training to set up your sales funnel, rotator, and offers. Step 2. Get the autoresponder and emails hooked up and use the traffic resources to drive visitors to your squeeze pages. Step 3. Watch as your commissions flood your account, and repeat the process to scale up your income. Phoenix IV has many benefits that make it the best method to make money online. Some of the benefits are: it is sustainable, scalable, and extremely easy to set up. It is proven to work by real-life case studies and testimonials. It comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose. It includes bonuses that will help you boost your results and conversions. It teaches you the power of buying license rights to affiliate products, which will allow you to earn higher commission and break even faster. Phoenix IV is a revolutionary method that can change your life. It is the ultimate solution to making money online. But you need to act fast because the price is going up soon. So don't miss this opportunity and click the button below to get instant access to Phoenix IV and start your journey to financial freedom.